it going, everybody? It's the Purple Turple here, and today, welcome to Screwdriver Trick Shot. This is the long distance stick and poke. Oh, let's go! First try! This is the no-look shot. Oh, let's freaking go! Till I downfall, my love, if you feel like I do right now. This is the world's longest screwdriver shot. I'm gonna be shooting it over into the dike over there. At least I think it's a world record anyway. Don't know anybody else doing this. Look how far it's into the ground. Do you see this? Look at that. I'm taking it. This is the upper deck shot. Oh! Oh my God, I didn't think that would work. I call this one the splasher. Whoa! Oh my God, that was so good! This is the tree bouncer. Oh! Let's go! This is the through the leg shot. That has to count. It's sticking in the ground. I'm counting it. I don't care. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you did go on to enjoy it. If you did, please drop a like on it, and always don't forget to subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more of these kind of weird trick shots I just kind of came up with. And especially, don't forget to party till you're purple! It lands on the other end. Bro, come on now. How's it going, everybody? It's the Purple Turple here, and today, welcome to Screwdriver Trick Shot.